Oh, hi. Sorry, I was just busy subliminally learning how to speak perfect French while I slept. Or at least I was trying to. See, there's some interesting science about whether we can actually learn while we sleep, and specifically how we can do it. So today I want to chat with you about some ways you can take advantage of sleep to help you learn faster and more permanently. Hi, I'm Andrew with Brainscape, a mobile education platform that is based on decades of proven cognitive science research into how we learn more efficiently. As people who are constantly looking for hacks that reduce the amount of effort required to study, sleep has been a huge part of Brainscape's curiosity for many years. And the biggest hack that we've looked into is whether there are ways to just throw on headphones and sleep our way towards straight A's or knowing Kung Fu. Well, here's the thing. Sleep alone, unfortunately, can't just convert audio into long-term memory. But sleep can be combined with good study techniques, like maybe studying Brainscape's adaptive flashcards before bed in the right way to dramatically improve your pace of learning, and get the timing right combined with your sleep. In a study published in Current Biology, they showed that hearing word pairs when you're sleeping doesn't necessarily mean that you'll remember them when you wake up, but if you were then presented with those same word pairs again soon after waking, you actually would remember the pairs better than if you hadn't heard the pairs first while sleeping. This is kind of similar to how if you don't talk to somebody about your dream within a few minutes after waking up, you'll forget that dream forever. In other words, when you're sleeping, the best you could do is just prime your brain for learning later, but you've got to keep studying that same material very soon after waking up in order to get any benefit of having heard it while sleeping. That might not always be practical, although there still could be another benefit of putting on those headphones to sleep, and that's the time that you hear your material playing before you actually fall asleep or as you're waking up. For example, let's say you're trying to memorize a speech or study for the bar exam by playing audio that repeats everything you're trying to learn. Well, in the minutes before you fall asleep, you'll still be hearing those repetitions. And then you'll still be hearing them when you wake up if the audio is still playing until you finally turn off that looping audio. That's valuable exposure time, even if it's just a few minutes here and there, especially if you're listening to active learning audio like Brainscape's hands-free studying podcasts for law school and other subjects. Even better, research by Jessica Payne shows that if you actively study right before bed, that also happens to be the optimal time for learning. When you sleep, your hippocampus consolidates anything fresh into short-term memory and then into your long-term memory. That's another reason why studying a little every day is so much more effective than just cramming the night before a test. Because that pattern of study, sleep, study, sleep, study, sleep is consolidating your memory every night so that it compounds over time. The stronger the foundation of knowledge built by that spaced repetition, the more permanently you'll remember that increasing mountain of knowledge going forward. If you like the advice here, be sure to subscribe, be sure that you're using Brainscape's adaptive flashcards to study whatever you're working on learning right now, and stay prepared to rise to any challenge.